the round popsicle sticks and the flat popsicle sticks to make the main truck body. Most beautiful color in the world is rainbow. Beautiful. Okay, we finished the base of the bottom. Now we will continue the base of the top. Okay, we done the base of the top. It looks like an abandoned house. I'm powerful. Beautiful. Wait a minute, hold on. Nice. I will use recycled cell phone tape holder to make the tire of the truck. Now we install the tire. I'll just put it. It's a Pokemon. Beautiful. My eyes are sparkling. Look at this car. Now I want to make it nicer. Nice. These buttons, 4 buttons were put on the tire here. Is it beautiful? I cut it from my recycled cloth. Is it cute or is it cool? I want to put it in front of my truck. I want to make the light for this truck. Hey yo, my car looks like an Africa car but more beautiful. Look at this. Here comes Karen. Okay, I done my little monster truck.